What's the first thing you think of when you hear roofing? Shaky hands, a sweaty brow, and a lot of stress. At Denny's Roofing, we want to change that. We don't want you to have to worry about your roof. That's why we've made it our mission to provide high-quality roofs for homes and businesses in Colorado, and make it as stress-free of an experience as possible. We're not going to lie, roof replacement can be a tough process. But if you want a company that works hard for you and makes sure you're taken care of like family, then Denny's Roofing is the company for you. Our team is experienced with all types of roofs, including flat roofs, built-up roofs, BURs, and shingle roofs. You name it. If it's on a house or business, we can replace, repair, or build it. Our 5-star service and installation procedures go above and beyond because our business depends on them. We're not a huge, multi-layered company where you just become another job number. We're your local roofer and work hard to ensure you're taken care of like a friend, family member, or neighbor. So call us today. Call us today at 970-478-9607 if you need help with your roof. Or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Brighton-roofing-company. Replace or repair your roof with a trusted Brighton, Colorado roofing company.